Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of our lesson. Speak English in a better way in just 10 days. By following some conditions, you also get a chance to take free spoken English classes with me for 1 month. If you haven't gone through the first part, I would suggest you to look into it for instructions and giveaway details. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel. So all you need to do is follow these 4 simple steps to speak English in a better way. Please go through these instructions carefully, and if you have any confusion, then please refer to the first part or leave a comment below. Remember that you have to follow this exercise for 10 complete days for better command on your English spoken. So let's begin. Pause the video and read the passage carefully and record it to complete first step successfully. After you have recorded your audio, it's time for you to listen my audio. So here's my audio.
What difference does 1 degree make? If you are hot when it's 95 degrees, you'll still be hot when it's 96 degrees. Water is extremely hot at 211 degrees, but at 212 degrees it boils. Boiling water creates steam, which is strong enough to power a train. That 1 degree changes the game. Imagine what it would take for you to change your game. Thought and planning are the keys to making a difference in your communication style and approach. You have an opportunity to either make a difference or be same as everyone else. It's an overall positive attitude towards the differences you want to make in your own life and in life of others. Think about it. If you took a step back to be solution driven every time there was a conflict, wouldn't you be a difference maker? Wouldn't it make life easier for you and for others around you? Having a positive attitude doesn't mean walking around with a big smile on your face all day. It means taking a breath when something goes wrong. It means looking at worst case scenario and thinking about the solution rather than focusing on the problem and who caused the problem. It means being open and present, not close to what is going on around you. It also means knowing that you can't control everything. Ultimately, it means controlling your reactions.
After listening my audio, listen to yours as well. Repeat this listening exercise for 3, 5 or 7 times depending on your level of understanding. Now it's time for you to record your audio again and make a comparison between your first audio and the audio that you recorded right now. Follow this exercise for 10 complete days to improve your spoken English. Now coming to the giveaway conditions. These are some conditions that you need to follow to get free 1-month spoken English classes with me. Read them carefully, and if you have any confusion, leave a comment below. Results will be announced on 9th of August. Classes for the selected candidates will begin from 10th August. So this was all about our today's lesson. Do let us know if you liked this video in the comments below. If the video was helpful, please like it and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.